Hey, it's Chef Mark here today with a quick tip. I'm gonna show you how to make pink sauce. This is a super simple, basically 2-ingredient sauce. There's 1/3 ingredient here. We're gonna make the simplest sauce that can go onto any veggie. I've gotten kids to really enjoy eating veggies through just making this extremely simple sauce. Veggies can taste bitter to kids sometimes because of these bitter compounds that naturally occur in the veggies. And if we balance that out by something that's salty, savory, and has a creaminess to it, immediately the kids can start having less perception of that bitter flavor and start to really enjoy veggies. So try this pink sauce out here. It's gonna take just a few seconds to make. First thing I'm doing is taking my homemade plant-based mayonnaise. It's one of my favorite hacks. Kids absolutely love this. Store-bought mayonnaise has vinegar, which tastes quite harsh, and this has freshly squeezed lemon juice, which tastes really fresh and delicious. And we're gonna do 3 tablespoons of mayo. So we're going 1, 2, 3. And the nice thing about if we don't have to dip into the next container, I'm just gonna squeeze the ketchup out of here. I don't even have to clean my spoon. So I'm gonna just squeeze it from the container into the spoon. And we can be pretty approximate with our measurements here. We're just trying to get a 3-to-1 ratio of mayonnaise to ketchup. And that's all I need for measuring spoons and those ingredients there. And then just a teeny bit of garlic. And this is what makes this Puerto Rican mayo ketchup a very simple and delicious sauce that tastes like way more than it is. Taking the peel off there. And then I'm just gonna grate it on my Microplane here. And if you don't own a Microplane, I'm linking to that here too, so you can buy a Microplane and be able to grate your garlic very fine, just like this. And that is about all we need. We're doing less than 1/8 of a teaspoon here. A very small amount of heavily flavored garlic here is gonna be really intense. So that's what it looks like in context there. And now all we do is whisk. Let's give it a taste. We can do the chef's taste on the back of the hand here. Yeah, really good. If you feel like the garlic, hasn't come through enough, and if your kid is like, oh, I want it to be more garlicky, I like garlic, add a little more, but that comes through and almost adds a teeny bit of what I feel is like spiciness. I know it's not really the same as chili peppers, but it feels a little bit spicy from the garlic, and it's really delicious. So have your kid try this and have them dip any veggie, especially one they haven't liked in the past, and see, now that we made the sauce that tastes a little sweet, creamy, savory, see what you think when you mix it with a veggie that you haven't liked. See if you like it now. All right, that's it for now. Bye.